Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kem, in case you were curious. Thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. We have here part 2 of our product stash series. Yeah, because this is a lot. We're gonna go over the second half of my collections, like multiple products in a brand, and then I have a lot that are just kind of like ones and twos kind of just together. So this one is the second part, and we're just gonna get into it. So first I have Josie Curls. This is their Cleanse Hydrating Shampoo, their Moisturizing Conditioner, their Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, and their Styling Gel. I haven't tried any of these products yet. Let me know if you would like to see a video on it. Next, I have Beyond Glamorous Beauty Cosmetics. I have their Healthy Hair Herbal Tea. I have yet to make this, but I'm really curious about it. I have their Hydrating Miracle Spray Leave-In Conditioner, their Hibiscus Chebe Strengthening Clay Wash, their Mango Curl and Style Smoothie, and their Avocado Sea Mud Renew and Repair Deep Conditioner. I've tried all these products in 2 separate videos besides the deep conditioner and the herbal tea. Next brand I have is Earthborn Organics. I have their Aloe Curl Cleanser, their Mafura Styling Custard, their Camellia Conditioning Mask, and their Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. I haven't tried these products yet either. Let me know if you want to see a video on it. Next, I have Uche Organics. I have their Curl Enhancing Custard, their Hair Pudding, and their Leave-In Conditioner. I've tried this and have a video out on them. Next, I have the Papaya Castor line from Eden Body Works. I have their Scalp Cleanser, their Foam Conditioner, their Conditioning Hairdress, and their Nourishing Curl Jam. I haven't tried any of these either, but I want to. I don't know why I haven't tried them yet. I've had them for a while now. Next is Silent Naturals. I have 3 of my 4 products. The 4th one I packed it into the overnight bag. I went away for my birthday and I have not unpacked that yet, so that product is in there. I'll just mention it. So I have the Ylang Lang Conditioner, the Leaf Shampoo, the Sage Oil, and the product I'm missing is their Spray Leave-In Conditioner. The next brand is Melanin Hair Care. I have their multi-use pure oil blend, their multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, and their Twist Elongating Style Cream. The next products I have are from Cream of Nature, their Aloe and Black Castor Oil line. So I have their Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask, their Healthy and Long Fortifying Shampoo. Mia, could you quiet down? And their Reconstructing Anti-Breakage Leave-In. And I have some Alake Naturals. I have their Super Twisting Butter and their Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. I also have some products from I don't know if it's Good Butter or Goody Butter. I've had these for a while too. Don't know why I haven't tried them yet. Let me know if you want to see these. So I have their Guava Colada Moisture Blast Conditioner. I have 2 of their leave-in and detangler Moisture Blast leave-ins. I have 2 because they messed up my order, so they were like sending me a free product to make up for it. Haven't used either of them yet, but the customer service was outstanding. And then finally I have their shampoo. It's really runny. I looked up videos on it and it's supposed to be like this, so we're good. The next brand I have is Dr. Miracles. I have their aloe vera and honey non-stripping detox shampoo. I also have their rice protein and babasu oil hydrating and strengthening deep conditioner. Y'all know I love a moisture protein balance. Okay. And then I have their biotin and aloe vera nourishing and styling gel. I have some products from ORS, Curls Unleashed. I have their leave-in condition and style cream. I have their curly coil rich style cream. Their texture boosting curl jelly. And their curly coil HD gel souffle. I'm thinking about doing a video comparing the different gels type products and like a wash and go, so let me know if you guys want to see something like that. Next brand is Curly Bell. I have their jelly coconut styling gel, their banana nut and avocado deep treatment, their curl defining cream, and their Thirsty Curls leave-in conditioner. I have some more Eden Body Works products. This is from their coconut shea line. I have the leave-in conditioner. Hopefully this is in my next empties video. I'm almost done, y'all. Their natural curl defining cream. This one I still have a lot to go. I use it pretty often and I still have a lot left. Probably won't be in the next empties, hopefully the one after that. I have their natural cleansing co-wash. And I have their natural curling jelly. Okay, so the last brand I have is the Main Choice. These are all the products. I have multiple products within the same line. I have some miscellaneous ones that don't really go with anything, and that'll be in the final video because this is only part 2. Oh my gosh. Anyway, we will start with the Mood collection. This is their Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mask. This will be in the next empties, y'all. I got 1 use left and I just need to use it up. It's really good though. I do like it a lot. I also have their shampoo from this collection and the mousse. And I believe all my Main Choice products have videos. Well, all the ones in this section have videos. I have their Pink Lemonade and Coconut line, the Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Curl Boosting Sherbet. And then I have the shampoo and the conditioner to this line. Next is the POW collection. I have their mask, the gel, the leave-in conditioner, and the shampoo. These next 3 products are kind of old. I don't see necessarily an expiration date on here, so I just kind of kept them. This is the Untouchable Definition and Unmatched Volume Bold Buttery Gel. the Accomplished Triple Layer Leave-In, and the Sophisticated Sheen Spray. The last 3 products I have are from the Main Choices Proceed with Caution line. These are also pretty old, but I'm not seeing that little 12 months sticker on the back, so I still have them. I have their 4-way conditioner, the Slippery When Wet shampoo, and the Look Both Ways Hair and Edge gel. At one point in time, this was my favorite wash and go, but it did give me flakes, but I dealt with them. So that concludes part 2 of my product stash. Thank you so much for watching. But that's all I have for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. You can also find all of my coupon codes down there to save y'all some coins on some products, because we love that. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye!